In this video, we'll show you how to create a keychain with your own initials. Start the lettering tool and type the letter D. Adjust the lettering options if you like. Set the outline to satin serial and the width of the outline to 2 mm. Draw a small circle on the top corner of the letter. This will become the hole for the keyring. Set its outline to satin serial as well and adjust the outline width. Adjust the position and size of the ellipse. Now, to create the hole of the keyring, select the lettering part along with the circle. Right-click and use the Combine option. The ellipse we combined has now created a hole on the lettering part. Set the fill type of the combined part to Net Fill. And just like that, you have your keychain design with a hole for the keyring. Notice that you can still edit the shape and position of the ellipse, as well as the shape of the lettering using the node editor.